Hi, I'm Rob King and welcome to the Ordinary Bitter Outtakes. Take a look at the links for the original grain to glass recipe with a step-by-step guide of this extraordinary bitter, and also the retrospective where we look at the schedule, the vital statistics and of course the price per pint and lessons learned. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh. Hang on. Plumbed it in the wrong way around. Oh, bugger. It's not quite whirlpooling how much I would like. Probably because it's so low. Ta-da! Aroma. Now I do typically like carbonated drinks, but this one actually nice. For hops were then hops then were to be a little bit for now. Thank you everybody for watching. Creaky chair. By connecting the Alexa plug to the stop Alexa. Yeah, that's the problem with mentioning her name. Lost paperwork. It is gone. Please do like and subscribe, and cheers.